Hello, welcome to Family. My name is Sienna. And my name is Angelia. And today we'll be making a surprise donuts for our brother.
ចាសម្រាប់សួរពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនថ្ងៃនេះកូនប្រុសហ្នឹងវាធ្វើដូណាត់ឲ្យបងអូនវាភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលបងអូនវាអត់តាមក្រោកទេ
Our brother isn't awake yet. The ingredients we'll need are 3¼ cups of all-purpose flour, which is in here.
ហើយម្សៅត្រូវការ3ចានហើយជិតកន្លះម្សៅមី
2 teaspoons of instant dry yeast.
2 ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេម្សៅឡើងមេឡើង
4 tablespoons of butter. It's in here.
4 ស្លាបព្រាបាយ butter យើងក៏អាចហៅខ្លាញ់ក៏បានហៅ butter ក៏បាន
1 cup of milk.
មួយចានទឹកដោះគោ
4½ tablespoons of granulated sugar.
4 ស្លាបព្រាកន្លះស្ករ
1/2 teaspoon of salt.
ហើយកន្លះស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេអំបិល
1 egg.
ពងទាមួយពងទាអត់ពងមាន់ក៏បានដែរ
And 1 teaspoon vanilla extract.
ហើយអាហ្នឹងមួយស្លាបព្រាvanilla extract ហ្នឹងគេហៅថាទឹកក្អូបឥឡូវកូនខ្ញុំយកមាវទៅដាក់ microwave ជិត1នាទី
Now we're going to put the milk with the butter inside the microwave for 40 seconds.
Lấy vô chanh.
Now just take it out.
Hai con đã score cho không vào.
Now we're going to be putting 4½ tablespoons of sugar in here.
Đã score 4 slab bia cả lá. Hai đã ambal glass latte cà phê.
You're gonna need a whisk to stir it up, and then 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Hai đã bông tia không đâu má.
And 1 egg.
Slab. Hai cả đạo vanilla cho nó má.ទឹកក្អូប
1 teaspoon vanilla.
Hai đặt hai bắt đập bay mà sao á bồ đó đập mà cả lại vài mà sao á con chạy đã
Yes. Now you're gonna mix for number 2 for 2 minutes.
lại dân liên là sao đó đặt lên pin đó pin là tí đầm bay chặt thực này trồ
Let's put it for 2 minutes at 2 so that we can put this in. Make sure you
tích
put a
tích
little bit
cắt
of
tích
time.
tích khơi chè phần còn pruôi về mình chia thế
Now I will see it like this.
một bàn pin này ti hái
It's been 2 minutes.
chúng ta đang nhập ba từ lây cầm bay
Now I'm going to put some eggs
buôn là ti
for 4 minutes. Don't forget to add 2 teaspoons of yeast inside the dry flour.
បងប្អូនកុំភ្លេចដាក់ម្សៅឡើងពីស្លាបព្រាជាមួយនឹងម្សៅ
It's been 4 minutes and this is what the dough looks like.
អានេះ4នាទីណាបងប្អូនឥឡូវខ្ញុំបិទវា
Now let's put it off.
4នាទីម្សៅជាតែខ្ញុំយកចាញ់សិន
And now my mom is helping me.
ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំដាក់ប្រេងមកលើនេះបន្តិចដើម្បីកុំឲ្យវាជាប់ដែរ
I put a little bit oil on this so the batter won't stick.
ហើយបងប្អូនជ្រាយមែនតើមើលនេះជ្រាយមែនតើ
The dough is really soft.
ឥឡូវយើងញីវានេះតិចដើម្បីដាក់ចូលនៅក្នុងនេះ
Now I'm gonna knead it for a little bit until I put it inside a bowl. We put it inside a bowl and we're gonna rest it for about 1 hour.
យើងឲ្យម្សៅទុកឲ្យម្សៅវាឡើង1ម៉ោងសិនបងប្អូន
So this is 1 hour later and you see it grew 4 times bigger.
អានោះ1ម៉ោងហើយឥឡូវវាឡើងហើយអញ្ចឹងទៅកូនខ្ញុំនឹងដាក់ប្រេងនៅលើដៃហើយនៅលើនោះ
We're gonna put a little bit of oil on the
ប្រដាប់កាត់
sheet. Now we're also gonna put
ដើម្បី
oil
កុំ
on
ឲ្យជាប់ដៃកុំឲ្យជាប់
so that the dough won't stick onto the mat or your hands because your hand on oil. And then we're gonna use some cutters to make shapes. I'm gonna be using this bowl, and you can use a shot glass or. Make sure to put the oil.
អាហ្នឹងប្រដាប់កាត់ cookie ប្រដាប់កាត់នំបង្អែមតើហើយកូនខ្ញុំវាយកចានចងហើយនឹងកែវ
We're putting oil on the cutters so it will easily fall off. To roll until it's about 1 inch thick. And then you're gonna wiggle it in there. There's some strong dough. And then you can poke a hole with a shot glass inside after you're done. There's my tiny circle and my heart. Wait, are you gonna poke a hole in here? No. What?
តិចជួបគ្នាចាំធ្វើដូណាត់ហើយសិនចាំជួបគ្នា
See you when we're done. So we made 8 big donuts and a lot of small donuts, but the recipe calls for 12 normal sized donuts.
recipe ហ្នឹងធ្វើបានដូណាត់ធំបាន2 10ប៉ុន្តែកូនខ្ញុំវាធ្វើតែ8ទេវាធ្វើអាទូចច្រើនអញ្ចឹងចាំ5-10នាទីទៀតបានយើងយកទៅចៀនបានហើយចៀនរបៀបចៀនយ៉ាងម៉េចហ្នឹងចាំខ្ញុំប្រាប់ក្រោយ
See you in 15 minutes. So you have to rest that for 15 minutes.
Yes, you have to rest for 15 minutes.
I know. So we put in the fire on medium. And this is, we tested out 1 donut, and when the oil bubbles, that's on next to the donut, it means it's hot enough.
It's okay. It's good enough.
Yes.
แล้วเคยเนี่ยไปเคยโดนัทจังแล้วยังดักในเจียนหรือบอกว่าบักเพลิงคลังไปแต่บักเพลิงคลังไปอัดบานเลย
Don't put the oil too high or else you won't be able to make your donuts. So now we know the oil is ready. So we put the other donut in.
Này the reason why đặt lên chứ với pro ấy về sườn này.
This is the reason why you put on a paper, a baking paper, so it's easy to pop.
Tao cá này như thế này đâm bay strong donut chanh.
You have to get that rack and a pan put on the bottom so that the oil can drop down. Donut is done.
Mình có lời viết mình chăm bay perfect bay cái chăm bay sạch bay bây giờ hộp tao này nó luôn.
It doesn't have to be perfect. You really eat it anyways. So now we're going to be doing the frosting. And we're using Nutella. And we microwaved it for 30 seconds. And this is 3 tablespoons. And then this one has half pack of vanilla sugar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon.
Anh nói con nhầm bây thơ đặt vào khoảng lờ.
You can also add sprinkles to your donut. We're not going to add sprinkles.
Nó bong bồn donut thơ hào vậy bạn ạ.
You can also do one with sugar. This is what I made with sugar. So now we're done, and now we're going to go call our brother since he's still sleeping.
Surprise boy! Okay, try. Your sister make it.
You ate the whole thing?
Okay, salad bong bồn kê nào vậy ơi.
I'm going to have some of your breakfast. Okay, really good.